Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a calendar here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a calendar in Smartsheet is an easy process, but is a great way to manage and visualize project timelines, deadlines, and events. All right, now once you are logged into your account, start by opening the Smartsheet where you want to create a calendar. All right, now I'm gonna use this one for now, and then now I'm going to create a task. For example, video creation, and then uploading video for example, uploading videos, and then thumbnail uploads. Okay, so we have three tasks for our multiple freelancers working in our channel. One is the video creation, and I'm going to assign this to a specific person. All right, maybe for this one. Now, I'm going to set this date. Maybe I'm gonna make it like September 5th. And it's gonna end around, hopefully, within Friday, September 6th. Uploading videos is the same. Maybe around from September 6th on Friday. And ending on the Saturday, September 7th. And thumbnail uploads would be around maybe, I don't know, maybe today, 4th. And then until I'm gonna put in a deadline like 13th, maybe, I don't know. All right, just for example. Now, once you are set the deadline, all right, I want you to switch to the calendar view, wherein you're gonna be having a lot of information and of course a customized vantage point of the task here in Smartsheet. Because a calendar provides a visual representation of project timelines, deadlines, and events, helping you see the overall schedule at a glance. By viewing tasks and deadlines, as you can see it from here in a calendar format, you can better manage your time and prioritize activities based on their due dates, especially for working with the multiple freelancers, teams, collaborators, or clients within a specific company or organization. Because calendar helps in planning and scheduling tasks, allowing you to allocate resources effectively and set realistic deadlines. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.